Today I'll teach you how to draw a beautiful smiling flower. Start off by drawing a circle, a fairly big circle. Now we'll draw some petals. You can draw petals of different sizes. I'm drawing smaller petals. It's up to you. You just need to complete the circle. Okay, there you go. Now we'll draw two little eyes for the flower. And a cute little mouth. We'll draw its stem and two leaves. The eyes and mouth are optional, you need not draw, but you can draw them to make the flower look cuter. Now we'll draw some grass. There you go. We have a cute little flower. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.